Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we are diving into a market that is both promising and complex, the Philippines. Specifically, we will answer a critical question for many innovators. What is the real cost to list a low-risk or Class A medical device in the Philippines? First, let's clarify what a Class A device is. These are your lowest-risk products. Think of items like surgical masks, tongue depressors, bandages, or a liquid-in-glass thermometer. The regulatory pathway for these devices is supposed to be the simplest. It is a notification process, not a full registration. This results in a Certificate of Medical Device Notification, or CMDN. For years, this was a straightforward and inexpensive process. However, the landscape shifted dramatically in 2024. The Philippine Food and Drug Administration, the PFDA, introduced a significant fee increase under the new administrative order. The fee for a Class A device notification jumped to over 30,000 Philippine pesos. This was a massive leap from the previous fee, which was only a few hundred pesos. This change caught many manufacturers by surprise. It fundamentally altered the financial calculation for entering the Philippine market with low-risk, often low-margin products. The cost of entry is no longer trivial. Let's look at a real-world example. Consider a European manufacturer of innovative orthopedic bandages. They saw the Philippines as a key growth market. Their strategy was to register a portfolio of 10 different bandage types. Under the old fee structure, this would have been a minor administrative expense. Under the 2024 rules, they were suddenly facing a government fee of over 300,000 pesos, which is more than $5,000. This does not even include other mandatory costs. What are these other costs? First, you must have a local authorized representative in the Philippines. This is a non-negotiable requirement. The representative, often called an importer or a distributor, is your legal liaison with the PFDA. Their fees can vary widely depending on the scope of their service. Second is the cost of preparing the technical dossier. Even for a Class A device, you need to compile specific documents according to the ASEAN Common Submission Dossier Template, or CSDT. This includes device labels, instructions for use, and proof of quality management systems like an ISO 13485 certificate. If your documentation is not perfectly aligned, you risk delays and rejection. So the total cost is the PFDA government fee, the local representative fee, and the internal or external costs of dossier preparation. But there is another twist. The PFDA has also announced a temporary suspension of these new high fees for the year 2025. This creates a strategic dilemma for companies. Do you pay the high price to enter the market now, or do you wait for the fee suspension and risk other market changes? Navigating these decisions requires deep local knowledge and strategic foresight. Understanding the true cost is about more than just a single government fee. It is about planning your entire market access strategy. For expert guidance on navigating the regulatory landscape in the Philippines and across ASEAN, you can email our team at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https:/pureglobal.com.